Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can delete your Instagram call history. So basically what call history means is when somebody calls you, and whether you pick up or not, that call is going to be saved on your messages. So you can view who has called you how many times if you go to your message and scroll through your feed. So I'm going to show that how we guys can do that. You can click on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. And I'm going to go on which Kevin for an example. And as you guys can see, which Kevin has video called me, even though I did not pick up, it still shows the video call. Alright, so let's say you want to get rid of this. If you have one or two video calls, you can individually delete them. But let's say you have 1020 or hundreds of call history, you can just go on deleting them individually one at a time. It's going to be a long process. That's why this video is going to help you today, because in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how we guys can delete your Instagram call history in a single shot or in a single grade, to be honest. Alright, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on forward with today's video. Now shall we? First step, what you want to do is you want to slide left side on your friends' names. I want to delete which Kevin's call history. I need to slide left over here. And once I see more, I need to click on more. Once you click on more, click on delete, and click on delete. What this is going to do is this is going to delete your entire chat history with which Kevin or with that friend whose call history you wanted to delete. Alright? Now this is a little messed up that you have to delete a chat history in order to delete a call history, but Instagram has not yet provided a button where you guys can just delete your call history. If you want to delete a call history, you need to delete the chat with that friend, but don't worry if some important message is saved on that chat. You can ask your friend to screenshot or send you that messages, because the chat is only going to be deleted on your end. Your friend is still going to be able to view the messages you send them, all right, so you don't have to worry about that. But this is the only process you can do in order to delete a call history at once. I'm sorry it's a bit messed up, but it is what it is, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye.